Hi, my name is Kiri and in this video I'm going to show you a game that I created as a Mod 3 project for Flatiron Software Engineering Bootcamp. My coding partner for this project was Ted Neben, and he also built most of the awesome artwork that was used for the game. Our game is called Tactics Lite, and it's a two-player tactical RPG that was inspired by other games you might be able to recognize. This game was created with JavaScript and Ruby on Rails API. When we start the game, you can see on the screen that we have a game board on the left and a control panel on the right with some buttons. For the game board, we used an HTML canvas element which allows us to draw graphics on the fly using JavaScript. We created a gridding system to locate our mouse on the canvas image by dividing the pixel X and Y coordinates by our grid size and adding an offset value. This allows us to locate and select rendered items on the canvas image. The control board on the right is what the players use to navigate through different stages of the game. At the beginning, players are given a choice whether to start a new game or continue where the last game was left at. Game data is stored at certain intervals throughout the game and is retrieved whenever the application is opened. So to start a new game, we just click on the Start button. Player 1 is then prompted to select a leader. There are three different types of leaders: a fighter, an archer, and a mage. When you click on a leader, it shows its gameplay attributes. Attack strength, attack range, and move range vary between different characters. All characters generally have stronger attributes than standard characters. Next, we clicked on the Submit button after we have decided on which leader we want to use. Now, we are prompted to select three standard characters. If you hover your mouse over any of the character images, a window pops up that shows the attributes for that person. Clicking on the characters selects them, and you can see the characters rendered to the board as you add them to your team. When you are happy with your selection, you can click on the Submit button to continue, or you also have the option to click on the Reset button to clear the board and repick your team. Next, player 2 is prompted to select their leader and their minions. Here we click on the Reset button to show that it works. Once player 2 clicks the Submit button, we go to a confirmation screen to then start the game. You're also given an option to restart and repick everybody. When you click on the Start Battle button, the game begins and it randomly picks whether player 1 or player 2 starts first. Next, player 1 and player 2 takes turns selecting characters and moving them around and attacking the other team. On each turn, a player gets a chance to move and attack with all of their characters. When a player clicks on one of their pieces on the board, it shows the character on the control panel as well as their current statistics. They get an option to move, attack, or to end their turn whenever they want. Move ranges and attack ranges are rendered on the board when a user selects the option. Health bars also display above the characters rendered on the canvas, indicating the percentage of health they have remaining. When a character's health goes down to 0, they are declared inactive and are removed from the board and the game. Players alternate turns until all of the players on one team are eliminated. I'm going to fast forward through this section as it can take several minutes to play through a game. Once all of the players are eliminated from a team, a winner is declared and an option to start a new game is given. Thanks for watching.